Hello and welcome, my name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the ŠKODA ENYAQ IV in 60 seconds. Start the clock. The ENYAQ IV is the first fully electric SUV from ŠKODA. It's masculine, dynamic and moves the crystalline design language on to the next level. The big grille, LED matrix headlights and sculpted bonnet give the front end real road presence, while the sloping roofline and massive 21-inch wheels make this a car that looks like it's doing 100 miles an hour standing still. There are 6 interiors to choose from with highlights including a large 13-inch touchscreen and a head-up display with augmented reality. Because this is an electric ŠKODA, the interior is super spacious and gloriously quiet. And you can choose between 3 battery sizes and a range of more than 520 kilometers. You can charge the battery from 5 to 80% in 38 minutes at super fast charging stations. You also get the choice of rear-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive and 5 power outputs for a maximum to 220 kilowatts. To drive, the ENYAQ IV is genuinely fun thanks to rear-wheel drive, low center of gravity and 50-50 weight distribution, while the assistance systems keep you and your family safe.
Welcome to the Hyundai KONA Electric Walk. I will take you for a walk around our compact electric SUV, the new Hyundai KONA Electric. KONA Electric is available with 2 powertrain versions. With a battery capacity of 39 kWh, the basic version drives you electric up to 305 km on a single charge. The long-range version with a 64 kWh battery provides an electric driving range of up to 484 km. Located in the vehicle's front, the charging port can be easily accessed.
With a 10.5 kW onboard charger, the batteries can be recharged at a wallbox at home or at a public AC charging station in 6 hours and 50 minutes for the long-range version and in 4 hours and 20 minutes for the basic variant.
Connected to a 100 kW fast charging station, the batteries can be recharged up to 80% in 47 minutes. The new KONA Electric comes with a redesigned front, incorporating new LED headlamps, which emphasize a progressive and modern styling. The clean look is supported by the claddings that are now painted in body color and by the new 17-inch alloy wheels that have been optimized for aerodynamics. The rear features a new bumper and redesigned LED rear combination lamps. Thanks to 100 kg vertical load, the long-range version of KONA Electric can carry a bike rack on the optional tow bar, which allows you to easily transport your bikes. The new KONA Electric features the latest active safety technology, including the new blind spot collision avoidance assist and front collision avoidance assist with cyclist and pedestrian detection. The new KONA Electric features a dedicated center console. It incorporates a button-type shift-by-wire module for an intuitive operation of the electric powertrain. The new 10.25-inch full digital cluster shows all relevant driving information. Also, the navigation system has a 10.25-inch screen. The system features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and the Krell Premium sound system. The BlueLink app allows you to easily control relevant functions with your smartphone. You can remotely check the status of your battery or control the charging process. Several convenience features like the climate system can be controlled through a simple voice command.
Mercedes have been producing premium business saloons for decades, and now they've taken this winning formula and brought it into the modern era with the EQE and a pure electric drivetrain. Now, we all know the benefits of driving electric, but the first thing you notice when you do is just how quiet it is. It's so smooth and luxurious, and it definitely helps take the stress out of everyday life. The EQE 350 Plus offers up to 215 kilowatts of power, and like every car in the Mercedes EQ range, a truly thrilling driving experience. Just like a number of other Mercedes cars, the EQE comes with the dynamic select menu. Now, this allows you to change between 4 different driving modes, between sport and comfort, and changes the car's performance and handling characteristics to make sure that you always get the best quality ride. What impresses me is the engineers have really focused on the car's driving acoustics and suspension. The car feels incredibly manoeuvrable and, as well as the quietness that we've mentioned before, it's pretty much free of vibration too. Whilst all this technology is truly remarkable, what's even more impressive is that this EQE has a range of up to 654 kilometres on a single charge. And that is incredible. A key factor behind this kind of range is the efficient drive system with recuperation. Here, the battery is charged by converting the rotary motion into electrical energy during braking. The driver can select the level of deceleration in 3 stages via shift paddles behind the steering wheel. I've chosen D-Auto, the most convenient, which automatically adjusts the recuperation level to the current driving situation. Whilst the EQE's performance is addictive, the Airmatic air suspension means that the ride is always comfortable and composed, whatever the conditions may be.
Hello, my name is Billy, and thanks for checking out the newly redesigned Bolt EV. This is the simply smart all-electric vehicle, now with a fresh design, more technology, and even more new features. Plus, with an EPA estimated 259 miles on a full charge, it delivers more than enough range for your needs. The revolutionary Bolt EV is available in 2 trims, either the 1LT or 2LT shown here in the new ice blue metallic color option. A redesigned exterior is aerodynamic with a flush grille and flowing LED headlamps. And the sequential turn signals and LED daytime running lights are all new. Athletic lines run down the side above the standard 17-inch aluminum wheels. And new signature LED tail lamps decorate the hatch and back. At the heart of the Bolt EV remains our proven 65+ kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. It powers a 200 horsepower all-electric motor that delivers 266 pound-feet of torque and can hit 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds. The battery pack is placed low below the floor, creating a low center of gravity so it feels extremely nimble and dynamic. Charging is also convenient with 3 simple choices. Level 1, your 120-volt home charging. Level 2 is 240 volts, now capable of 11 kilowatts. Or their standard DC fast charging capability for public charging. But a new available charging feature for Bolt EV is a dual-level charge cord that offers both 120-volt and 240-volt options without the need to buy a separate charging unit. Inside is a very rich-looking interior that is entirely new. There's plenty of room for up to 5 passengers with a spacious, open atmosphere. And the seats have been redesigned and upgraded so they're comfortable and upscale, featuring triangular geometric patterns and contrast color stitching. And the rear seats are 60/40 split folding, so there's 57 cubic feet of max cargo space available for all your on-the-go needs. For the driver, Bolt EV has a new shifter, which is more intuitive, using push buttons and toggles. It also features a new one-pedal driving button that keeps the system active between drives. And the instrument panel is new too. The 8-inch diagonal driver information center has 2 visual modes to display speed and estimated range. There's a new 10.2-inch diagonal color touchscreen with updated infotainment and tons of real-time vehicle info, like power flow and battery levels. It also features standard wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto capability for a cord-free experience. Oh, and available Alexa is also on board. But your safety is our priority, so Bolt EV has standard Chevy Safety Assist, a suite of advanced safety technologies and driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking. Plus, we're offering adaptive cruise control for the first time on Bolt EV. Even ownership is made easy with an 8-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty for your battery, and there's also less maintenance. Thanks for checking out the redesigned Bolt EV. As you can see, it's a great electric car that just got better and more attainable.